right, David, so we found something right here that might be pretty cool if you got a reciprocating saw.
Yep.
So you guys got, why don't you just tell me about it, man?
Yep, no, we think this is a great idea. Expands the use of a reciprocating saw. So you not only cut with a reciprocating saw, but you can now scrub, scour, scrape, sand, and a whole lot more. So we've developed a quick change connector or adapter with a universal tang similar to a saw blade, and it fits and locks in similar to a saw blade, and then it now accepts 1/4-inch hex shank accessories for scouring or brushing, sanding, and then this is a nylon brush for, all kinds of surfaces. And
so it's these three tools right here?
these three tools, well, we have over 13 other accessories that go with it. So
Okay.
you can scrape concrete floors.
Right.
We've got rasps, so wood rasps and metal rasps.
You buy this too right here, the
You
reciprocating
can
saw?
get this
Or just use
on
any
our website.
one?
You can use any reciprocating saw.
Okay.
Yep.
And so you sell it like in a kit or
We do have
individually?
a 5-piece kit,
A 5-piece
and
kit?
then these are sold individually.
So how much of one of these cost?
Oh, they range from $9.99 to $14.99.
So in order to adapt my reciprocating saw, I need this adapter.
Right.
How much does that cost?
This costs $9.99.
Oh, that's not very expensive at all.
Right.
So I mean, it looks like a nice, well-built little attachment.
It's
so
it's heavy duty.
inexpensive.
Yep.
Yeah. So heavy duty. So
Yep.
where can they get that thing?
They can get it at reciprotools.com. There's some
Reciprotools.
Ace Hardware stores that also carry it.
Right. So what's Montana brand? You're
Yeah.
I'm from Idaho. You're
Sure.
like we're neighbors,
Yep.
kind of.
Yep. So Montana brand is a product line that includes drill bits, driver bits,
Okay.
specialty tools like this one that you were looking at.
So that's what all these tools are
Right.
for.
And these are made in USA.
Made in
which
the
is
USA.
pretty unique. Yes.
That's pretty cool. So we
Yep.
definitely like made in the USA.
Sure.
So we saw the reciprocating
Yep.
tools.
Yep.
Let's see this. You
So
guys
this is
got-
our modular 4-in-1 drill and driver. So oftentimes when you're driving fasteners, wood splits
Right.
or it expands, and you want to pre-drill, right?
Right, yep,
So,
absolutely.
so we've developed this 4-in-1 tool that you can pre-drill, countersink,
countersink it.
or you can counter bore. Then you put your fastener in, and you're good to go. To do that, you unlock the collar, insert, and flip
Okay.
the insert.
So the unique part about this is not that we can, do a countersink or drill a hole,
Right.
but you can flip it over.
Right.
And then have a drill bit right there, so you're not
Right.
searching for another bit.
Right.
now.
So very convenient.
Right. Does the bit come
So,
out?
yeah, that's a good point. So this is designed with a hex key in the shank,
Right.
and you use that to remove or loosen the set screws,
Oh, to change the
and
bit.
you can change the bit.
That's a pretty cool feature right there.
Also do the same thing for the countersink,
Right.
or to replace the drill bit with the
Right.
countersink.
So if you break the drill bit or the
Break
drill
it.
bit wears out, you can replace the
Correct.
drill bit. Well, that's kind of nice. That's a pretty handy little tool. I like it.
This one is a similar concept, but this is for hinges. If
Right.
you've ever installed hinges, you got to get that
Absolutely.
drill bit, that pre-drill
Right.
in the middle. If you don't, then your hinge is really messed up.
Right.
Doesn't work. So this has the same flange angle as a
Right.
hinge. So when you pre-drill, so then you just flip it, lock it in, and then you drive the screw similar
Yep.
to the other tool.
So push forward, comes out.
There you go.
Now lock it in.
Yeah.
Push forward, flip it over. I actually like that little tool. Cool little tool from Montana brand right there. That's a handy little device. I love it.
Yep. Good deal.